Let us start with a simple box breathing exercise. Close your eyes. You may lay down or sit up and just start inhaling. 5 seconds inhale into your nose. 5 seconds hold. 5 seconds exhale out your mouth. Five seconds hold. And continue breathing. 5 seconds in, 5 seconds hold, 5 seconds exhale, and 5 seconds hold. Now with each breath, I want you to call in all of that energy back to you. From all the people, all the places, from the meetings, anywhere you have been today, just imagine it all coming back to you. Throughout the day, we tend to leave our energy all over the place. So claim back what is yours. Now, when you feel this, I want you to reverse that. As you're paying attention to the breath, simply send all of the energy back to all the people, all the places that have left it on you. There is nothing good or bad. It's an energy exchange we have with everyone all the time. But let us claim what belongs to you back so we can recenter.